Nabarwa bengi omwancho morigereria nande ne chinsa chingi yatogo kwarigania semesa ya mangana maya chinsa ni komi ekarotwa kwariganirie atari make asenchira yobwenge nabo kugendera gotobwatya gwetera senchira yemitandao Facebook no tuli buna Ndizi TV News nabo igo YouTube no tuli live buna Ndizi TV News nensemo ya Twitter nabo goto tweet @Ndizi TV News igoto suka ekiagera aigana onka obwansu bomogusi na iranire se keke kerbosyo ngomanya mange. Ncheni gonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi Ontita kaunti ya Kisii ngati echi kaunti echi chacha kire kwene kia embura ere nyinge kegima abu asebono egendrete gutwa botuko na mobaso embure iyo nigo yagenderere kwene kigwa ase chinsemo au asoro gongorwa gusi abu asensemo ya keroka embura ya nyartko bakego twe nyinge kurwa bwigoro botuko bono gotiga amache ataraime ase chipara nabayigo ase emetaro niga bonchuriria bebinte bike banyorire hasara maiga yembure yogotwa na kubasariria ase bagokorera obonchuriria bwabo wikira bono iga nigo chigari chikulimera asa machime abwasa abantu baboriwe ko bamaiso anene mono abantereba bali bagutumeka chipara nonye nabantu basemiwe kubeka chianga chamaberera eliogokeya obokendu obubore obonene nigo boigo basemiwe ko boyi abana bake chianga chamaberera eliogwetanga kurwa ase omochando bwekeuno gose pneumonia nigo boigo abantu batebigwe banyare ko bakobucha amacha yo baratumeke asa matuko ale bosio ejine chingakirire ligenderete wonchoreria na kwene kyabuna embure yo nigera chikwene kiwa asa matuko ale bosio. No mobere bumuga koyo maserieta Ezekiel Mobisa omae nigo genderete gutindo korwa asensemo ya kemera mobero yo nigo nyartko bakogotinde kwa chitariki sano na isato omotienyoyo abu asebono kongusana na kogenderete kwena kiwa gati echi familia chibere enyomba enene amo nenke ekarogo cha gutindo korwa nigo gucha kuiranirwa weika asenkendu okona chokwaru etwe nekigambero. No yo koriye kergo kyobo governor se county ya Kisii Simba Arati nigagenderete kubekirwa egutwa asensemo ya bobasi eligo chia koriya ekeroge kyo boikeranu abamenyi benseme yo nigo baesokia asumubaro oigoro kegima elio koenakia na kobaba saiti chingaki Arati alikobekirwa egutwa
mbuya mono asengenjo yo ikaga ngocha kaiga etwanien Korokionga wokoe! Simba e! Aso wengenta que te gotebanga. Simba Arati oetire binyoro. Onyori na bana barenziko. Agwa sabantu bande tori tiga chagete kale. Akamanyanga Kisii count. Abantu mbaro bagotwewa. Akara jatinyo Omo Senator bwe county ya Kisii Samongeri oyoba igokoriye kerogo kyobo governor se county ejo niga umerana nabamenyi koro asensemo ya Bonchari asensemo ya Agricultural Training Center bose ATC ime ya Bosongo abwasabolria barai bali bakoriye birogo ao imeyense ya Kenya anene mono koro gusi otwara masikani na koralio morembe chingaki bagokora chi campaign.
One thing that I will require of each one of us, if you are going for votes, please, and I beg you, please observe normal rules of courtesy. Be polite. disgrace anybody. Don't create any trouble for anybody. Ask for your votes. This wananchi will make a decision whether to give you or not to give you. Just say it again. Say it to another one. No. Only to a child of borrow. When I check the body, I don't want to go over this year. Come on, Tinta itu dah ramai. Tinta itu dah mana? Tinta itu dah mana yang tu kiri? Orang mau tu kan kita kau yang pula. Dah kita nak mau every ambil puli. Tapi untuk cara kisah, nak orang dia hitam. Jika anak dia, jika dia cakap dia dia, tidak cakap terleter. Nomor 7, pak menjadi nomor. Sekian tadi metron, ira sekolah kamu, kuda bina ada badai. Ayah ada lingkuannya, kalau anda bami, pak kuali badai, ayo, pak kuali. Tapi kenapa ayah pakai orangnya kapca? Itu nak tebakan, nak berkuda nak kau korang, nak tuan kalau dengan andos. Oh, nomor ayah presisia, aroli.
Omubunge bw'ensemo ya Nyalibali Masaba Ezekiel Machogu niga abuulirye abantu gwesokya eliko eriikya buna abakicikura nga igolyoka nalyo bantu baranyale gwechorera barayi bali baroche baraje kubakolera amagenderero. Ezekiel oyo kubuulya ekirugo ky'obugavana se county ya Kisii niga boiga abuulirye abarayi bamwabo bakora siasa ky'omulembe n'obutwereru.
Abaito gusonde bwenso tarabwate kura enguba yao oranyare kurwanira bachoro murayo muya nokubwate kura mbwancha majo gutokunyara kumwaka tukunyara kumwina nafasi yoko be governor onya tubwate kura tukuboli baminto bonse batarabwata kikura abana baito ba college school bali myaka 18 isenga watire getuo kirange nenka yao erindo nyare kwanyorere kura ubwekara nkuri gikikura tindu kugamba igobonde tindu kura monde kiagara chikura noko ni manifesto yao noko ni sera yao noko tebye abantu bamintunga oisha kwa bwe nafasi inkiuji kubakolera igo tuancha neno nembali tukulia chikura twes naende ntobasha kuramana ntobasha kuira na biara kiagara by the end of the day umuntu kujikwa mwana ndo bwate chikura n'abantu bamintu bakishika
ndetaga nkoro kujon mumanyi JB korbonchali ase esabari etubwata bono yokorigyo burayi bwe county ya Kisii igonde running mate yo musike His Excellency Ezekiel Machogu igotwa amwire kurigyo burayi ubu nderi tonyare gokorera omuntu minto Gusii egasi iriera nyare gokonya naende improve obugima bw'abantu baito
Kotongole kero kwa rusigu kwa rosigu obali wasire kwa rubiro mokungu nkyokoliera nyama oyera chinyani nkyokoliera nyama mutaka kolie nyama mutaka kolie masoni sawa iwara esuguri tu abatareka ire neria nene makwanda gotawuri yo kali guja abama tukwa kusonyo mokungu manga kwa makao.
Na mabunge okitutu chache South Richard Onyonka niga abuulirye abamenyi be constituency eyo koba batwera ruchinga kiatebire para ya Nyamataro n'ekikoera ase obwango mono. Onyonka niga atebire para eyo niga genderete korosiwa korwase chinsemo chia Suneka na igo kugania abamenyi b'enseme yeiga koba abatwera ruchinga kigo chikoera ke engakie enke erebosio nigo baiga sabira abamenyi be constituency eyo n'abantu ba Kisii County wesoke na kwelikia asomoro buli obukubwata ekura.
Mataro yaikire Suneka nkoli ya rosi bali nzajinde bintu bya serikali na oyo cherero but they'll come nonyole dinya Mataro bale go bakabekire no ena matoke bateba Onyonka must go gache karosi kwikaba ya St Jude Onyonka must go lakini I believe that they will finish it kiagara section itigali tenenge baikire Suneka so kurusuneka paka bridge camp then batire Nyamataro it will be done abantu baito wikaba understanding onye no nyago kuranga mumwima igoro osinyagete igoro kyango nga chikura na chi nganto joto ake chikura onyo tubwatie kadi ye kura na igepande na ichinza chia osaleti na abantu baito banarire butambe bagonya goto busoko abantu onye bwange to mwana siasa uliorocho tego kora kende gosonyo nyo tutagiti ko funa inche onye umuntu kanyange tikabwate kura anga ake kura yandusie lakini agaro bwana busaigo ngoma ete uyo tunamtoa kuna kitu atafanya ekura nere kogera nere nguba yao nere muntu atakira twale ekogera ogendo change oburai onyoro burai buli otagete nyo tubwate kura ni chinza chia osali
no morobelio bwokolikia abakenya ase entunde ya kabere no chaka litikolia lero chitariki 15 na ibero mutienyo yoiga na nigo kagere gocha koera chitariki 5 na mumutienyi ogocha eye no korwa libaga gocha saba Kenya bonsi olibatanya aratko bakwelikia ase entunde ntangani amangana araliwane kiombe kyobo choli ne chimbebe IEBC nigo bona abakenya bonsi baboliwe wesokia na kwelikia asobonge.
Today, the 17th of January 2022 marks the beginning of the second and final phase of the enhanced continuous voter registration exercise in preparation for the 9th of August 2022 general elections. The registration will run for the next 21 days and close on the 6th of February 2022 in all the 1,450 county assembly wards across the country, institutions of higher learning, and Huduma centers countrywide. Dear Kenyans, we have an opportunity to register as voters, transfer registration, and change particulars of registration. I wish to appeal to Kenyans who are of the age of 18 years and have national identity cards to turn up in large numbers and take this opportunity to register.
No muraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga nigaumira na babwatani au baraba gavana kurwase chi county au imeyensemo ya Naivasha eligocho gukwanira emirobelio bene ingana kie agocha koba gwakoira oborai aso chikura chigo cyo gukoreka umwaka uyo iga ababunga abagavana abo nigo bamwiraneria Raila ngambia mono aso gocha kyomorobelio bw'iki serikali chi county gose devolution abwase batebanga gweterere emirobelio menge ya nyalira koba kigwikerana chinga kiechio Odinga nigababoli abagavana abo kwene kyabuna ngo semye barabantu asobonge banyale koba bakwelikia eli banyale koba bagwaka ekura.
We have here 30 governors that have come here with our fifth president of the Republic of Kenya. This has been a consultative meeting between governors and the fifth, His Excellency Raila Amolo Odinga, to reassure him of our support and also to discuss the way forward with regard to the August elections. There were 30 of us present with a couple of apologies.
Bila shaka ugatuzi uko katika mikono imara, katika mikono ya Mheshimiwa Raila Amolo Odinga.
And we all as governors have come here to say with one voice that we are going to go out there to make sure that Raila Amolo Odinga is the next president of the Republic of Kenya. And that our people need to understand where we used to be. This issue of going at the national government to beg for resources, and the national government did not sometimes appreciate shared prosperity, that every county, every constituency needed to share resources equitably. We now know one person, and we feel sorry that BBI did not go through because we were going to get more resources and put in the constitution.
Na tukiongea juu ya kuboresha hali ya maisha ya watu wetu, chombo ya kwanza kabisa ni ugatuzi. Na vile mnavyojua, ugatuzi ilikuwa na maadui wengi zaidi. Kuna wale wengi ya watu ambaye hawaamini ugatuzi inaweza kusaidia watu wetu. As you know, today a very important exercise is starting. That is voter registration of our people. And we want these governors to go down there and champion the process of ensuring that our young people register as voters so that they can be able to participate in the most historic elections in our country on the 9th of August this year. I want to thank all of them here. The journey is on. Azimio la Umoja, as we said, is our clarion call. That we want to unite our people, so that the people become one, irrespective of their status in terms of wealth, because somebody is actually agitating for a class war, that matajiri na mahaslas. In every society there must always be capital owners, those who will be owning means of production, and those who are also employed. You do not deprive the rich so that you can enrich the poor. You create opportunity for the poor to become rich. Yes. This is what we want to do ourselves, so that our people can be able to change their socio-economic status. Upward social mobility is what we want, so that we create a bigger middle income class in our country.
Ayongati yali mwanchu muligeria togendete okwareganiria ochiko yanyora senchira yoboikira nuge kuragensa emo yabono mogoroba mbiemono wanyora ebiro bya chinga kikoligereria Ndizi TV nero bwansu bomugusi kolende nabakogendera gutobwatia konyora yaiga amonemero biri yende gwetera senchira ya Facebook na Ndizi TV News, YouTube Ndizi TV News na baigo Twitter @Ndizi TV News. Mpia mono omo director ne Petronila Mokeira bakubwaterana na Janet Nyamwamu nero mwarigani bwa mangana maja na inchibuna nako yaletera nigonkoro kwa Sara Nyarangi on Twitter.
Ndizi TV, ubwansu bw'omugusi.